Chickies.
Dili ka sa gitna.
Ay, may nakikipag showdown.
Go, go, go.
Alright, there you have it. Let's give a round of applause for Captain Chickies. Alright, so kids, while we're still waiting for our pizza, so syempre gusto ko lahat ng kids natin have a opportunity or for the fun opportunity together with Captain Chickies. Table number 2 ulit tayo. Okay, para lahat meron. Okay, table 1, please stand up. Then let's have your fun opportunity together with Captain Chickies. And say hi to our batch. Ito po our table number 1. Yan.
Later, later.